Okay, for the next demonstration, I will show you how to draw fisheye dart on your muslin, and the next step will be how to sew. So let's start with creating a fisheye dart on your muslin. First, what I will do, I'm going to fold my muslin preparation, the 9 by 5 in half, and I use my fingertip, kind of create the crease line in here. I will do same way in the other direction. Once again, I'm going to use my fingertip and unfold this. So now you see there's an intersection right in there. And I'm going to mark this one so that you guys can see intersection right here. Let's put that intersection as a label A. From label A, you're going to go up from label A, go up 3.5. 1, 2, 3. Let's just go up 3.5 right here. Mark those, draw the line, and up from the label A, you're going to go down another 3.5. 1, 2, 3.5. So the total, the length of your fisheye dart will be what? 7 inches. And I'm going to label as the top, this is your dart point, as B. The bottom dart point label as a C. Let's get back to label A once again. From label A, I'm going to go out each direction. I'm going to mark as a 5/8 and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5A mark right here. And then I'm going to label as D, E. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to connect the D to B all the way here, E to B, connect a line all the way E to B, and connect a line E to C. There we go. And then C to D. So basically you create fisheye on your muslin right here. So what I'd like you to do, you're going to fold it half again, and basically label B, label C will be a dart point. I'm going to fold the center of the dart, place right here. Right here, and I'm going to use my fingertip, and probably you can place a straight pins if you want to, probably a couple of straight pins, 2, maybe 1 more, 3. There you go. This is how to prepare your fisheye on muslin, and I'm going to show you how to sew this one together. Just give me 1 second. I'm going to redirect my camera. There we go. There's the sewing machine. There we go. Once again, place your needle, make sure right at the dart point, insert it and lower your lever. Very good. Now you're going to gently press your paddle. Maybe you can reverse your stitches. And I'm going to remove my straight pins as I go. When I get to the point, I'm going to remove my pins. And when I get to label E, I use my lever and I insert my needle. I'm going to lift my lever gently, so turn the direction. Very good. And then I'm going to continuously sew all the way to the end. Once again, when I see label C, which is your dart point, I'm going to continuously run 3 or 4 times so that will be automatically tangled. And I'm going to leave about 3 inches of thread. And what I will do, I'm going to tie this one more time, once or twice. Once and twice. Very good. The rest of the thread, I'm going to trim it by probably 3/4 to 1 inch. I'll go through the same process. Tangle, tie this one once, twice, and I'm going to trim this one. Probably leave about 3 to 1 inches, and I get rid of all this thread. Now what you need to do, I am going to trim right here, right in the center, about by probably 3/8 inches. So release the tension. So when I open this one, you have beautiful fisheye dart. Can you see this is the waist, and that gives a beautiful shapes? Imagine that this is you have a shift dress. This is the waist, this is the upper torso, this will be the lower torso. So for intermediate groups, I want you to make 2 samples of this, and I practice this one, and I put it into your sample book. And I make sure you can write down, this is a fisheye dart, and I put it into your sample book.